and she open it today.
I can better you than call Miss Goody. Me say from yesterday me a travel, you know. And so tappy bus and carry all we go vacation.
Speak properly. What happened? And why are you here?
Alright, miss. I left it out yesterday after the interview and so stopped at the bus and take off all the way.
Yesterday? That mean you know?
No, miss, me tired. You can't smell me, you know.
No, it's alright. I'll take your word for it.
So me can't see bar.
You know nothing about bar?
Yes, miss. Miss a certified waitress and me have a degree in domestic bartending.
Come with me.
And miss, me have 5 years worth of work experience, you know. Miss, me can mix lemonade and everything with better.
Alright.
And miss, me can mix that for 2 hours.
Alright. For the bar here.
Oh.
So from time to time, the man them are gonna come at the bar and they need a little entertainment. So you have to know how to, you know, like dance and
Dance? Miss Goody, I feel me big name this. What is that, Miss Goody? What is that thing? Can find out something on my phone there. Alright. 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 Alright, you need to walk. You need to walk. You need to walk. Yes, Miss Goody.
you need to walk.
You need to walk. Yes. Alright, Miss Goody. When did you go?
Tomorrow.
Alright, tomorrow bedtime, Miss Goody. Thank you, yeah.
How much more you know?
How much Miss Goody say if you compare any bam again?
What?
Compare any bam.
What's that?
No, that you take, sir. This year, no, this year you
Oh,
take.
Campari and boom.
So now
Okay.
Mr. Sir, 250.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Hold on. Yeah. Any change?
Change, sir. A 250 fee compare any bam. 50 left for use the bathroom. And the 2 bills are me tip.
Okay, all right.
Alright, yeah?
Yeah, man, all right.
Come back again, yeah, sir?
Yeah, man, definitely.
Alright, later, yeah?
All right.
Thanks for coming. Alright. Hello? What, me Gilly? Gilly, no me dey up on the road. Gilly, you know, say you me fi cover so far. Me have to get up early. And you know me have to sleep over too. You miss me? You miss you too, man. But Gilly, you know me have to work. You know me have to work money. Gilly, you know me tell you that picture. Gilly, me have to change you, man. Miss Goody? Yeah, Miss Goody treat me good and nice. You see, Gilbert? He nice. Our nice lady. Alright, me a come up weekend. Weekend me a come up, yeah? I can some for you. Alright, later, yeah? Alright, we love you too.
So like somebody wants something in the shop.
Don't
my phone come. You don't go nowhere, you know.
So I can get one bun and cheese and one box milk?
You don't come from boy or girlfriend?
No sir, me come from food. Thank you, sir.
We never don't say you come out of your room, man.
Me don't help me, suffer, miss. Shit up me, miss. So we help me, suffer, you know me? Sir, or pass tell me that me go on over, you hear? Okay, sir.
As you were saying,
Why? What that for?
I smell one fruity body splash like apple cinnamon. I know man know where them somebody. Somebody just come check. What? Yeah, look at it.
For real?
Miss Goody, I want to use a oxymo, Miss Goody, call the police, Miss Goody. Jesus, dog bed. Jesus, come help me take him up now. Miss Goody, anyway, Miss Goody.
me know him, yeah. Oh, where you get the lead?
So Miss Goody, I'm a thief. Miss Goody, for you say me I try to call you, you know?
That's why me I said, oh, me not hear from you.
Me I tell you say me now go get fi come back.
So what happened?
I gilly Miss Goody. He ma fix the pit toilet and when I brought them broke and he kino by night shit. Me say Miss Goody, gilly think.
You try to clean him up?
Miss Goody, me use disinfectant, me use air freshener, me use Dettol, me use everything, Miss Goody. But gilly think.
So you don't carry him go doctor?
Me carry him go to clinic, but then tell me say hospital case that. And when me go to the hospital, them tell me say me have to wash him off and come back.
So that means you might get to come back?
Miss Goody, they say me have to turn with him, you know. Because him big toe on his left hand broke. And him finger on his left foot, he sprained.
You say? Finger on him foot and toe on him hand? What?
See them here like chat foolishness. But Miss Goody, me just want to thank you for what you do for me here. And Miss Goody, them same goodly have shit on my lighting.
Shit on my who?
Shit on my light is Miss Goody. When shit dab you and you get sick. Give me a comb. Me call you back here, Miss Goody.